Hi, I'm William Ofosu. A co-organizer for React community in Ghana. Today we organized the React workshop for developers in Ghana in React, and then the purpose of the event is to um, showcase the features of the recent release in React, which is such as the React 19 and then React Expo 51.
So instead of you separating the three, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, let's say for instance, I have a button, okay, why don't you have one file that will have all the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for that button? And that's what we call a component. Do you get it?
My name is Samuel Agbenyo. I'm actually a JavaScript developer, so I work around JavaScript to React Native. I write Vue too. So today I actually spoke about React Native for React developers and what's new inside Expo SDK 51, which is the latest version of Expo. And also I spoke about the new React architecture and went through React Native fundamentals for beginners and why you should use React Native as a React JS developer.
My name is Nazra and I came for the React Ghana program. So over here, I've learned about React, the new release, which is React 19, the new features it comes with, and how it's going to help improve and make our work easier.
My name is Constance Suman, and I attended the React workshop Ghana at SB Kubeta. Actually, learned more than I actually prepared to learn, though. So it was educative and informative. We learned about the new releases and the new features that have been released with React 19 and also Expo 51. I would say it was bliss. Thank you.
I'm Prin, and I spoke about React Server components today. So React Server components are just a way for you to be able to run your components on the server before they get to the client. And this helps you in a lot of ways. For instance, it helps you to run your database operations on the server and not burden the client with it. It also helps you to have a more secure page, which means all the secret stuff that you do on your page is not sent to the client, so if it's not exposed to the client, and the client cannot see the secret stuff that you do on the server. And I hope this helps my listeners be able to implement it in their projects and build better, more performant applications.